looking my best, got my head in the clouds and my feet up the bed. Get up, no time to rest, gotta put in the work, bringing home the bread. Everybody smiles with the ray of light, got joy to the max when you do it right. It's all love, put your hands up. It's all love, oh, let's have a good time, rise and shine, you know it feels so right, yeah, come on, riding on that high, rise and shine, on the sunny side, yeah, come on, rise and shine. Rise and shine. I've become
Love, nandito ako ngayon sa harap mo. Punong-puno ng pasasalamat by knowing that God's heart guided me to you. I promise na kahit saan pumunta, nandun din ako. Kung ano mang nagiging journey mo, magiging journey ko.
At ngayon, ang pangakong iyon ay tinupad ni Stephen Luis. 5 years, 5 taon. Sabi nga natin, sa haba-haba ng prosesyon, sa simbahan din ay tuloy.
I hear your words in my head. You said the mountain is you, and only worry can bring me down.
Stephen Luis, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Katrina Bianca na iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You and only worry can bring me down. You said
Mula ngayon, bawat landas na tapahakin, lalakaran natin ng magkasama. Sinusumpa ko na mamahalin kita sa bawat pagsubok na dumating sa buhay natin. On this day, love, until my last breath, ang puso ko ay sa'yo lang at tanging kamatayan lang ang makakapaglayo sa atin.
all in my hands, now won't fail me now. Won't let the weight of my fear go and knock me down. Only ways up, no going around. Oh, you called my name in the dead of night. I was barely surviving, almost let the climb. Said don't look down, but open your eyes. You were right, you said the mountain is you. The mountain is you. You said the mountain is you. The mountain is you.
Dear love, now my husband, I will never forget the day I started talking to you. It was a rainy morning, and the world was in the middle of pandemic. Then you commented on my Facebook story, without me knowing I was going to love you so much. I never prayed for someone perfect. Ang pinagdasal ko lang, mamahalin ako ng buo at kung sino ako at ano ako. Yung pipiliin ako sa araw-araw at yung mamahalin ako araw-araw.
Katrina Bianca, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Stephen Luis na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Be strong and As long as you're happy. Mas happy kami para sa'yo. I love you.
Lagi ka naman
Huwag mag-iiwanan. Kahit anong mangyari na. Huwag kayong mag-iiwanan. Magmahalan kayo.
Pag parang paayaw ka na, iisipin mo yung pinagsimulan niyo ni Kat kung saan kayo nagsimula.
Nagsimula tayo sa kaibang panahon ng mundo or once in a blue moon na pangyayari. At sa loob pa ito na napakalawak na social media. You are my greatest blessing, my answered prayer, and my lifetime partner. I love you, love.
My own goodbye. And honestly, if you're being naughty, I couldn't hide my feelings like.
Sometimes when I start to wonder if God is answering my prayers, I look at you and remember you were once a prayer. Kaya lagi mong tandaan that I am deeply grateful na binigay ka sa akin ni God as my partner.
Masasaksihan naman natin ang first kiss ni Steven Luis.
Love, now my husband. Today, I become your wife and you will always be my home. Love your wife, Kat.